Everybody, those who have sent the homework, I had seen, and all those who have not sent the homework will lose marks because homework is of 5 marks.
Ma'am, will we have any practice biology test on Basta Goal?
Have you done any tests practiced on Basta Goal?
Yes, ma'am, only computer.
Computer you have done?
Yes, ma'am, but
Ma'am,
ma'am,
but
Yes, ma'am.
practice test on
there was
dates
having so
test.
many problems while
What?
giving test or while opening the test.
Why? What problems?
Ma'am, like when
Ma'am,
someone is doing the test, before the time is over, the test is submitted, and some of the children are not able to open the test only. It is showing the link is expired.
ma'am, I'm having a problem that the paper submit automatically.
Yes, ma'am.
So have you discussed all these problems with Abhishek sir?
Ma'am,
Yes,
after
ma'am.
that, no class was there. He said that in next class we'll discuss.
No, ma'am. Abhishek sir has said that it would be any system problem. I will ask to Basta Goal.
Just
Because
now
that
after
are
2 3 backs, the website was under repair. Now see, they must have done some changes. They might have done some changes in that because the website was under repair 2 3 days back.
Ma'am, what happen if in the main test the paper submit automatically? Ma'am, what would we do then?
Then we'll probably have to what? You'll have to give the test again on the WhatsApp. Then you'll give what else?
Okay, ma'am.
But I don't think so now any error will happen because they might have repaired the website. Whatever problems are coming, they might have seen.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
So
can
you all have generated the ID. What's the goal ID?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
All
ma'am.
the
yes, ma'am.
okay. Which is the first test you all are having?
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
have the
maths.
Acha, ma'am, maths.
Maths.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Maths practice you haven't done on Vestagol.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we
today
will
is
be
maths
doing today.
paper.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Today.
one more thing that she will send the link today.
Shruti ma'am teaches you maths.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Where are the rest children? Out of 20, only 10 have joined.
Ma'am, they might be coming. If
Did
any
they
of them
join
are,
the Did they join the previous class?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many were present in the previous class?
Ma'am, 17.
So here only 10 are there.
Ma'am, in maths class
Ma'am,
there are 18 students.
ma'am, the message I have given in the biology group, some of the children have not read the message also.
So till how long should I wait? Already 6 minutes have passed.
We will wait for 2 minutes and then we will start for the
Anya
class.
is not there. Where is
Mama,
Anya?
Anya is there in previous class. Anya was there.
Shivansh is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Shivansh is there. Okay. Yash is not there. Aman is not there. Atul is not there. So many children are not there.
Ma'am, only 10 children are there.
That's what.
11 children are there, not 10.
No, no. 10 are there. I am there and Piyush sir is there. So shall we cancel the class today? No need to study.
Ma'am, but we need to study.
Ma'am,
Point studying.
I have sent the voice message to Anya.
There is no use of studying, isn't it?
Ma'am, but we want to study. They want to.
Ma'am, but it's their fault that they are not joining the class.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we want to study.
But with such less strength, I cannot teach. Now class is having 20 children. 10 are absent, 10 are present. How will I teach? Just tell me that.
Ma'am, we can start with 10 children.
Ma'am, today in every class, maximum, 15 or 16 children.
In math, there are I've taken a screenshot.
Maths, there was 18 students.
You have how many children? 20 or 19?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we have 19.
20.
19.
Okay.
Ma'am, shall we start?
Who has joined by Rajendra?
Ma'am, Astha joins. Astha.
Astha.
Arshit is there.
Okay, so allergy chapter is clear to everybody.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt in allergy chapter to anyone?
Ma'am, we have not completed the whole chapter.
We have completed.
We have completed the chapter. The exercises and question answers were left.
Ma'am,
I had given you few questions.
Vardhan, please let ma'am.
I had given you all few questions.
Ma'am, I have not understood diagnosis of allergy.
Diagnosis of allergy. How allergy is diagnosed. What tests they take. Diagnosis is simple. How we come to know that this is allergy. Okay, what do you mean by diagnosis? Diagnosis means finding out. Okay, what symptoms you are having. ठीक है, उन symptoms की basis पे the tests are done. Okay, what type of symptoms you are having. If you are having any food allergy, the symptoms will be different. If you are having any skin allergy, the symptoms will be different. Okay, so on that basis, tests are done. And on the basis of tests, diagnosis is made by the doctor that you are having this type of allergy. This is the allergy you are having. And now you have to discontinue all these items. Okay, you don't have to eat these items or you don't have to apply these items on your skin. This is the diagnosis.
Okay, ma'am, I have understood.
Okay,
Ma'am, can you explain the topic?
Diagnosis means finding out your problem. Okay, that what your problem is and then giving you the solution for that. Okay. Yes, Mansi.
Ma'am, can you explain entry routes of allergens again?
What?
Entry routes of allergens.
Antidotes of allergy?
Entry routes of allergens.
I'm not able to. Entry routes.
Yes, ma'am. Entry routes of allergens.
उसमें तो कुछ है ही नहीं. एंट्री रूट का मतलब क्या है बताओ.
हम जहाँ से अंदर आते हैं.
जहाँ से वो हमारी बॉडी में घुस सकते हैं एलर्जेंस. Okay, they can enter through nose. Okay, like dust can enter through nose. Pollen grains can enter through nose. They can take the entry through the mouth. Like food allergens. Like some people are allergic to cheese. Some are allergic to peanut butter. Some are allergic to eggs. Some are allergic to honey. ठीक है तो वो आप खा रहे हो those allergens are going in through your mouth. Okay, then entry route can be through skin also. Okay, any insect bite, any sting of any insect can cause you allergy. तो वो कहाँ से जा रहा है वो जा रहा है skin के through. Any cosmetic which you are using, any lotion which you are using is not suiting you. Okay, that all is going through your skin. Okay, so what are the three entry routes of allergens? Entry route of allergens are nose,
Ma'am,
mouth,
Through the
mouth.
nose, mouth, and skin.
skin. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I had given you some homework. All have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All question answers done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Vardhan has done all the question answers
Yeah.
and differences.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm having connectivity problem.
Why, Ashutosh? You don't have Wi-Fi at your home?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm not at my home. I'm at my grandpa's home.
Okay. Never mind. So, Dude Khan, who has joined Dude Khan?
Ma'am, Aman.
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 Ma'am, I have sent the voice message to Anya. She has listened the voice message and then also not coming. My mother is going to call her.
Muhammad Gayaz, who has joined?
Ma'am, Abdullah.
Abdullah.
Siddiqui, ma'am.
Abdullah, Aman, Shivansh. Neansh. Arna. Mansi and Vardhan and Ashutosh. Anushka. Aviral. 10 children are there, okay. So, Arna, have you done the work?
Yes, ma'am.
Neansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Neansh. Neansh. Neansh, can you hear me? Neansh, can you hear me? Neansh Tiwari.
Ma'am, he is messaging that ma'am voice is not coming.
Ma'am, your voice is
Neansh, have you
seriously
done
not
the
coming. Like,
Ma'am, the voice is clearly coming to me.
Neansh, can you hear me?
ma'am, I can hear you, but really, like, really slow.
Ma'am, now you left the meeting.
Okay,
We might be having network.
we'll be discussing few questions today. Okay. So, Vardhan,
Yes, ma'am.
first question is to you.
Yes, sir.
Which of the following is not a symptom of allergy? Itching, sleeping, rashes, or swelling?
Ma'am, what? Ma'am, options. Ma'am,
Which of the following is not the symptom of allergy?
Yes,
Itching,
ma'am.
sleeping, rashes, or swelling?
Sleeping.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sleeping. Good morning, Anya. Why you are late?
Ma'am, actually my mother, someone came to my house and my mother wants the phone, that's why I was late. I'm late.
Okay, good. Okay, Anya, second question is to you. Which of
Yes,
the
ma'am.
following is not an allergen? Water, milk, perfume, dust.
Uh, dust. No, 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 ma'am. Please, can you repeat the options?
Which of the following is not an allergen? Not
Yes,
water,
ma'am.
milk, perfume, dust.
Ma'am, water.
Water. Yes, nobody is allergic to water.
Yes,
Water.
ma'am. Yes.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, I am only the
Now the
patient of
third
dust
question.
allergy.
Third question is to Mansi.
Yes, ma'am.
Diagnosis of an allergy cannot be done by diagnosis
Sorry,
of
ma'am.
an
Please repeat
allergy
the question.
cannot. I'm repeating only. Diagnosis of an allergy cannot be done by surgery, scratch test, blood test, or skin test.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Mansi, you can't hear me?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
can
may I
hear you,
share
but
the
little
screen?
bit.
Ma'am,
What
you can,
happened?
I can
ma'am,
hear
you
you
can write.
little bit. I have marked this in the second and third option.
Ma'am, can I share the screen
No,
for this?
no.
Okay, ma'am.
Diagnosis of an allergy cannot be done by surgery, scratch test, blood test, or skin test.
Surgery.
What?
Surgery.
Surgery, yes. For allergy, we are not performing any surgery.
Surgery.
Which of the following is caused due to pollen grains? Hay fever, insect bite, nettle rash, or eczema?
Ma'am,
Anushka.
hay fever.
Insect bite.
Anushka.
Ma'am,
Which of
hay,
the which of the
ma'am,
following
hay
is
fever.
caused due to pollen grains? Yes, hay fever.
Hay fever.
Okay.
Hay
Abdullah.
fever.
Abdullah. Abdullah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you will answer, okay? Which of the following is a long-term lung disease? Hay fever, insect bite, asthma, or eczema?
Ma'am, asthma.
Lung disease. Asthma, yes, good. Now Shivansh. Shivansh.
Hello, ma'am.
Shivansh. Where is Shivansh? She's not there. Okay, Arna. Arna.
Yes, ma'am.
Fill in the blank. Allergy caused due to sunlight exposure are allergies.
Ma'am, itchy red rash or skin, especially on the neck, hands, arm, and the lower legs.
You have to name the allergies actually. Allergies
Good
caused due
morning,
to
ma'am.
sunlight exposure are
Ma'am,
dermatitis, or even you can say sunburn, suntan. Okay?
ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Who is that? Beta, why the Wi-Fi is showing full? Maybe there is some problem there. Okay. Now
Ma'am,
second
today
fill
it's
in the
only
blank.
that's
Second
why.
fill in the blank. Ashutosh.
Yes, ma'am.
When the pollen grains come in contact with the dash, a substance called dash is released. When pollen grains come in
Ma'am, can you
contact
repeat the question?
when pollen grains come in contact with the dash, a substance called dash is released. Vardhan. Vardhan, can you tell?
Ma'am, may I tell? Aviral.
Yes, Aviral, tell beta.
Uh, History is mine.
It's not coming, ma'am. Please say again.
Ma'am,
Yes,
when it
Aviral.
come, ma'am, when it contact in the touch of skin, and histamine is released.
Ma'am, may I tell? Ma'am, may I tell,
The
ma'am? Please.
pollen grains come in contact with the antibodies. A substance called, what substance is released? Okay. Aman. Rajendra Kumar, who has joined?
Ma'am, Astha.
Astha, okay, sorry. Yes, Astha.
Ma'am,
Astha, can you tell?
Ma'am, I can't hear you, but ma'am, can you chat?
Ma'am, can't hear you.
I am unable, ma'am. I am unable to hear, ma'am.
Okay,
हाँ
never mind.
क्लास कर रही हूँ बोलो ना.
Who is speaking in Hindi? Aman is having network problem.
Ma'am, I have seen Aman. He was sleeping in the bed.
Okay, Neansh, can you answer? Neansh Tiwari.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, higher the IgE antibody value, dash are the chances of allergic symptoms. जितनी ज्यादा एंटीबॉडी आएंगी टेस्ट में, इन्फेक्शन उतना ज्यादा बताएगा कि कम बताएगा. इन्फेक्शन ज्यादा बताएगा कि कम बताएगा.
Ma'am, can I leave the meeting?
What?
Can I leave the meeting?
Can you leave the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is asking?
Ma'am, me Abdullah. Ma'am, because charging is 10%.
No, you cannot leave the meeting. You put your phone on charging.
Ma'am, light's not there.
Light is not there.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have power bank.
No, ma'am.
चलो 10% तो है ना अभी.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. बोल
ठीक है, तब
दीजिए
तक
छोड़ दो.
अटेंड करो. हाँ, नियांश बताओ.
मैम एक बार
बॉडी
ऑपरेशन बोल
जितनी
दीजिए.
ज्यादा आएगी ब्लड में, इन्फेक्शन उतना ज्यादा बताएगा कि कम बताएगा.
मैम क्या आएगी?
एंटीबॉडी. तुमने एलर्जी का
मैम ज्यादा बताएगा.
ज्यादा बताएगा, ठीक है. Increases the chances of allergic symptoms. Higher the antibody value, higher the chances of allergic symptoms. Have you attended the lecture of allergy, Nehansh? एलर्जी की क्लासेस की हैं?
मैम किया तो था मैम, लेकिन उससे नेट नहीं आ रहा था.
चैप्टर रीड किया
मैम
था?
इधर दोनों, मैम इधर मेरी भी बहन की क्लास चलती है तो मैम ढंग से नहीं हो पाता, नेट कम आता है.
नहीं तो चैप्टर रीड किया था?
यस मैम.
यस मैम बोलना बहुत आसान है नियांश. तुमने रीड नहीं किया है चैप्टर, और ना ही तुमने इसकी एक्सरसाइजेस की हैं, और ना ही तुमने उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स किए हैं. मुझे पता है ना, सच नहीं बोल रहे हो तुम. See children, from 20 you people are having tests, and if you are not studying properly, if you are not going through the chapters, no matter what additional information I give you, no matter however I teach you, you will not be able to score marks. I'm telling you. कितना भी बता लूंगी मैं, मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे अगर आप खुद से नहीं पढ़ेंगे तो. If you will not revise the thing again and again, you will not remember, and if you don't remember, you are not able to write. Hay fever is also known as allergic dash. Anushka.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Allergic rhinitis.
Ma'am, उसको pronounce करना मुझे नहीं आता.
Allergic what, Anushka?
मैम एलर्जिक रेनाइटिस। मैम उसको प्रोनाउंस करना नहीं आता।
अच्छा, allergic
REHI
allergic rhinitis.
rhinitis। Allergic rhinitis।
Okay. Wear a dash to cover your nose and mouth while traveling.
Ma'am, mask.
Mask. Okay. Now, who will tell me what is anaphylactic shock?
Ma'am, it is the
Who will tell me?
Ma'am, please speak again. What was the word?
Ma'am, viral.
What is anaphylactic shock?
anaphylactic shock is an Ma'am,
Extremely fatal.
Ma'am, it is an allergic reaction in which you can lead to die. You can lead to death.
Huh. Yes, it is an extreme allergic reaction.
And it makes our body hypersensitive.
Yes, due to which we can die also. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this anaphylactic shock basically happens to the dose of penicillin. Antibiotic penicillin. Some people are allergic to this. They show a big reaction to this. So this can lead to anaphylaxis. A person can also die due to this. Okay. And one thing more I would like to add to your information is that honeybees. Have you seen honeybees?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There is one very, a poisonous species. It's mostly found outside, not in India, but I think in US and European countries it's found. That bees, can cause anaphylaxis. They attack together. वो bees जो है वो
Ma'am, in anaphylactic,
group.
they become hypersensitive.
What? What are you saying, Ansi? Is anybody saying something?
Ma'am, I was saying that in anaphylaxis, the body becomes sensitive, hypersensitive.
Anaphylaxis. It is pronounced as anaphylaxis, and the shock is known as anaphylactic shock. Okay. So
Yes,
due to
ma'am.
those honeybees, also a person can die. They are so very poisonous and they attack in groups together. Okay. I had seen on Discovery that day. A person can have anaphylaxis due to that also. It is a severe allergic reaction. Any
And do
severe
you know,
allergic reaction.
ma'am, can you tell the name of that bee?
Yeah, Apis dorsata it is.
What?
Apis dorsata.
Apis dorsata.
Dorsata. Because
Dorsata.
Apis is the zoological name of honeybee. Apis indica. Indian species honeybees is Apis indica. Okay, that is Apis dorsata. It attacks in group. So due to that also a person can have a severe reaction, anaphylaxis. And due to that a person can die also. He loses its nervous control actually. Okay.
Man, it looks like normal bee only.
That's similar in the group.
No.
Have you all understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now who will tell me the difference between seasonal allergy and perennial allergy?
Ma'am, see, ma'am, may I tell?
No, Aviral will tell. Aviral tell. Aviral.
Allergies that occur in a particular time are known as seasonal allergies.
Particular time nahi. In any particular season.
Example, hay fever,
Yeah, it mostly occurs in summer
uh,
seasons.
yes ma'am, when the crops are cutting down.
Yeah. Then
Ma'am, sunlight allergy.
And
perennial allergy.
perennial allergy which can occur any time is called perennial allergy. Example, dust allergy, etc.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Who has a question?
Ma'am, Mansi.
What happened, Mansi?
Ma'am, what is antihistamine?
Antihistamine are the drugs. Not actually drugs, the medical drugs, you can say, the medicines which are inserted in our body to control the inflammation, to
Use of
control the
aspirin.
allergy. Okay? Because in our body, when any allergen is going in our body, it comes in contact with the antibodies, then a substance called H substance is released. That H substance is only known as histamine. That causes allergy in our body. ठीक है, उसको खत्म करने के लिए doctors give us antihistamine drugs. Okay, some antihistamine element is present in the medicines which control the effect of histamine in our body and controls the allergy.
Ma'am, is it dangerous for the body?
No, it is not dangerous. It is just for our welfare. Antihistamine medicines are taken.
Okay, ma'am.
डेंजरस इसमें सिर्फ यही होता है कि उन्हें खाने से हम थोड़े से लेथार्जिक हो जाते हैं. ठीक है,
मैम मतलब कुछ काम नहीं करते.
करते हैं बट हमारी स्पीड थोड़ी सी स्लो हो जाती है. ठीक है,
Ma'am, we
I'm
थोड़ा
lazy,
सा
lazy.
में थोड़ी सी नींद की मेडिसिन डाली जाती है सो दैट आवर ब्रेन रिलैक्सेस. Okay, we get rest. If our brain will not relax, we will not relax, isn't it? We will keep on doing something or the other. It's just to give our body rest. Okay, the more rest we'll take, the more we will be cured from our problems. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the chapter that you can relate very much to your real life, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now who will
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me? Now who will tell me what should a person suffering from asthma do? What precautions should a person suffering from asthma take?
Ma'am, you should always carry.
Take the inhaler. You should
Ma'am,
always
you
carry
should
the
always
inhaler.
carry inhaler.
One by one,
You should
one
be,
by one.
Ma'am, you should always take correct dose of bronchodilators and steroids.
Bronchodilators.
Bronchodilators.
Yes. डायलेटर का मतलब क्या होता है? रिलैक्स करता है हमारे ब्रोंकियोल्स को जो अस्थमा की वजह से टाइट हो जाते हैं, कंजेस्ट हो जाते हैं. ठीक है.
Ma'am, he should take the medicines of cyclotrizone partially in the evening.
Okay, he should take the medicines. Okay, and what else? Apart from
He
medicine,
should have a hygienic and healthy lifestyle.
yes, you should have a healthy lifestyle. Yes,
Ma'am, we should tell our friends and family about your allergy.
very good. The very important point. If somebody is suffering from asthma, he or she should definitely inform friends, relatives, and at his or her working place that he or she is suffering from this
This
problem.
allergy.
Ma'am, he or she should have regular checkups.
Yes,
Besides, from the asthma triggers.
yes, very good.
And some exercises consulted by the doctor.
Ma'am, we
Yes,
should
very
always
good.
take correct precautions.
Good. So you all have understood. Very good. So now you just tell me if somebody is having eczema, what a person should do.
Ma'am, she should always be. We should always do not go near the cosmetic or soap that we are allergic to. That we are allergic.
Yes, eczema is a problem which is mostly caused by
Soap.
use of heavy chemicals. Surfs and detergents trigger eczema, right? Because detergents are very much what? They have so many chemicals in it. So detergents basically cause eczema. So we should know first of all which things are causing us eczema. Okay, we should go to the doctor. We should go to the doctor for proper treatment. Okay. Okay. A good quality detergent should be used. So now you people have basically understood the chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if somebody asks you how allergy occurs, allergy hoti kaise hai, then what you will tell? First step, listen to me, nobody will speak. First step you will tell that whenever we come in contact of any allergen, that allergen enters our body through any entry route. It can be mouth, it can be skin, it can be nose. The allergen enters our body. It comes in contact with the antibodies in our body, which are fighting with the diseases, okay, which are the soldiers of our body. So they come in contact with the antibodies, and then a substance called histamine is released in our body. And when the substance is released, an allergic reaction occurs in our body. Okay? This is how an allergy appears in our
Ma'am, can we also write the keywords on page 106?
what, Aviral?
Allergy. Ma'am, can we also write keywords in the page number 106? Allergy are response to specific substance by the body's immune system.
You can write. And then if somebody asks, some question is asked, how can you prevent this, what we say, histamine reaction, this allergic reaction? Then you will say that we take antihistamines. Okay, we go to the doctor, doctor prescribes us with the medicine. We undergo several tests. If we have any skin allergy, we undergo skin allergy test. If we have allergy to any food product, we undergo a blood test. Okay, and then suitable precautions and medication are taken as suggested by the doctor. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
today's homework is that you will revise respiration in plants. Okay, tomorrow you
Okay,
have
ma'am.
test. Tomorrow you have test. Allergy we have revised today. So tomorrow you will have test of respiration in plants. Okay, all the book exercises you will do and you will read the chapter. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye bye.